Can a team force a player or a coach to honor their contract and work for them?
Yeah, Shams, you reported this morning the Suns and Bradley Beal, they have agreed to a contract buyout. Now he's headed to Los Angeles. What are the details of this deal with the Clippers?
I'm an entertainment attorney, and on this channel, I talk about the legal issues that artists, athletes, and creators face in the entertainment world. If you want to hear more, follow along. So in sports, what happens behind the scenes if a coach or an athlete quits and breaches a contract they've signed for a term of years? Ignoring buyout provisions in contracts, does the law allow a team to force a player or a coach to continue playing for them? The answer is no. In the United States, a court is not going to enforce a contract and force someone to work for someone else, even if they signed a contract saying they would. That's not a remedy you're going to get in a court. What you can get is money. So if the athlete or the coach doesn't have a buyout provision in their contract, they may have a non-compete that they might be breaching. Then a court would not force them to perform for their old employer. A court would be figuring out how much money that breach is worth and awarding those damages to the team. That's why modern contracts have buyout provisions. Even though no one signs an agreement thinking it's going to be broken, teams are always going to have buyout provisions in their contracts with a liquidated damages clause that outlines exactly how much money they're going to get if someone breaches, because they know they're not going to be able to force a player or a coach to perform for them. So even if an athlete or a coach has a written contract saying they're going to work for a team for a term of years, they can't be physically forced to honor that. What's the craziest buyout provision you've heard of? And if you're interested to hear more about this kind of law, like, subscribe, and follow along. See you in the next one.